Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to get and equip Balaclava in Ready or Not step by step. So it is a quick customization trick that is going to make your operator look tactical and professional. So first of all, you just have to open your game and then you need to go to the locker room, which will be the main menu, and that's where you are going to basically change the loadout and your character's appearance. There you just have to walk up to the locker and open the customization tab if you are in the main menu version. Then you need to choose your preferred SWAT operator or slot. So this is where Balaclava will be applied. Now in the customization menu, you can find the headwear or the mask options. So you can scroll through the available cosmetics until you see the Balaclava option. Now some Balaclava variants are unlocked automatically, but others might require completing some of the missions and achievements or reaching to the certain XP level. So once it is unlocked, you can just click on the option of equip in order to equip it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.